Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. About to put this fuel door on here. I think it got jammed. The guy couldn't get it off, so he broke it off. I'm going to install this one on there. Show you guys how to do that just in case I don't already have that video. The latch is missing there. I hope I ordered one of those, and we'll get this fuel door on here real quick. First thing you want to do is unscrew those two screws and slide the hinge out of the door that way. As far as this is concerned, you push down those two little tabs and pull that out. Snap the other one in. Let me get these two screws out. Got the two screws out. As you see, it did have the rubber, I call it leash, for the cap. Now that that's out, you push this out this way, and that's out. You take the other one, snap it under these four things, screw the screw there. That's the Volvo part number for the 70 series car. The 850 one is different. So don't try to put this one on the 850. It's a little different. Tuck that thing under there like that. Put the two screws in. Pull all the pin stuff off of there. Open the hinge. Break these four things off here. Keep them. Don't lose them. You need them to push this in here. So when you break those off, you turn them around, push them in after that's firmly in place like that. So let me go ahead and break those four things off. Needle nose pliers. For those of you who need to see how to break things off, just bend them, they break off. You see what end is rough? That's the broke off end. That's not the end that goes back in the hole. Let me get these other two off. I'm gonna take my T10, chase my holes, clean them out. Now I'm gonna push these in there to set them in place so that they'll be ready to spread. So you could push them in till you see them coming through this side over here. They go in really easy. Get them started. Now set the door in place and push those in one at a time with my T25. Screwdriver that's bigger than the hole. I need two hands so I don't push it too hard. I got three of them in. I almost lost this last one. Get it started in the hole. Push it in till it's even. Till it's even in the hole. This is the hardest one. The rest of them went pretty easy. All right. Now they're in there, and that spring almost holds the door closed, but you need that latch to hold it closed. That latches it in. Let me see if I got that latch. Yes, I did order the new latch. So let me open up that package, snap it in place. Take the latch, line it up the way it's supposed to go. Squeeze that side in. Squeeze this side. Squeeze this side. Now it's in place, that easy. There's the door. Now you can test it. If it don't open, you want to replace that motor or do whatever else you got to do. This motor should be powered all times. I heard it open, so we should be good to go. Yep, good to go, no problems. And we're done. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.